Yeah, I think I've never taken no for an answer, and I think that might have been frustrating for my teachers, my parents, but it's actually helped me in business because I'm like, no, I think I can do better. Hi, my name's Warwick Allen. I'm the inventor, founder of Glassvice Products. Oh, quick question, I'll call you back. See ya. That's it. It won't ring again. Basically had a landscape design and build business, and I always had a bit of a passion for making products, whether it be fences, timber panels, etc. Came up with a new idea, turned that new idea into a commercial product. Haven't looked back since. It went well from day one. Started with just two of us, and sort of 13 years later, there's not just one product, there's 10 or 20 and 30 staff. Because we know we're going to be the installer of it, we spend a lot of time installing it, figuring out what's wrong, tweaking it, and in some ways that's why I think our stuff's better. It was just that passion for making things that got it started, and one good idea, very simple. The Kiwi doesn't just go out and buy it, he'll make it first, or he'll make something better. So to me, a problem's not a bad thing, it's just you've got to come up with a way to fix it. And then when you do, you obviously get a better product. It's a simple process. You design something, you make a prototype, you play around with that, then you start selling it. I think one of the reasons for the success is obviously the innovation, but also the service side of it, out there supplying, installing, also selling wholesale to a lot of glass companies around the country. The people that we've got now are all energetic, motivated. I mean, you can't teach motivation. We've been quite lucky, it's become quite a family business, and there's a lot of other people that started with us maybe just as installers, and they've got some pretty senior roles now because they're just good at what they do and good people. It's looking at something, improving it, making it, and then selling it at a good price. And that's the future of Glassvice.